Pee on a stick to find out if you have testicular cancer? Plus, 7 mind-blowing medical life hacks that everyone should know. Let's face it, it can be difficult to be prepared for every sort of medical situation that life throws at you. But sometimes just having random things in your household and a unique skill set or an unusual understanding of the world around you is all you need to hack your way through some real-life medical situations. That's why today we're talking all about mind-blowing medical life hacks that will not only cure some of your everyday needs like a sore throat, but may just come in handy one day. For instance, if you're in a real pinch, like what do you do if you're having an asthma attack and don't have an inhaler? What should you do? I'll let you know that, so stay with me. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Jordan Wagner. I'm an emergency room doctor who treats everything from COVID to gunshot wounds, burns, you name it. I've created this video series to help answer some of your medical questions and the questions I get from patients each and every day. If you find this video helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe. Alright, here we go. Let's dive right into 7 incredible life hacks that may make your life a little bit better. Number 1 life hack, pregnancy test for testicular cancer. There are certain types of testicular tumors that produce HCG, which is what is measured in a pregnancy test. HCG is a hormone that naturally occurs when a woman becomes pregnant. It has multiple functions, including protecting the fetus from its mother's immune system. In a man, though, there's really no good reason for HCG to be in their body. And if it's there, it could be an early indicator for certain types of cancer, such as testicular, stomach, liver, and pancreatic. This also holds true for women who may test positive for a pregnancy test without actually being pregnant. Certain cancers could come across as a false positive on a pregnancy test. Number 2, hot chocolate may alleviate symptoms of peripheral arterial disease. Peripheral arterial disease, also known as PAD, causes narrowing in the blood vessels that supply blood to the legs from the heart. Common symptoms include pain, particularly when walking, cramping, and weakness in leg muscles. In February of 2020, Circulation Research published a study stating that hot chocolate drinkers had a 20% improved blood flow to their calves and improved muscle health and function. Hot chocolate drinkers were also able to walk further in a 6-minute test during the study. Thing is, chocolate, fruits, vegetables, and certain drinks contain a natural compound called flavonoids. Flavonoids help regulate cellular activity and fight off free radicals that cause oxidative stress on your body. Flavonoids are also known to help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Life hack number 3, apple cider vinegar removes moles? Yep, say it with me. Holy moly! Apple cider vinegar is one of the most commonly used ingredients to get rid of moles. Malic and tartaric are acids found in vinegar. These ingredients can actually dissolve the mole and eventually remove moles from the skin. Simply take a cotton pad and apply some apple cider vinegar to it. Clean the mole with the cotton pad and leave it over the mole for an hour. Repeat this for 2 weeks to get rid of the mole. Number 4, mix up some Jell-O for the next time you have a sore throat. Come again? Saying hello to Jell-O will help say goodbye to that sore throat of yours. You make a box of Jell-O by using 2 cups of hot water per box. Stir until the gelatin is dissolved and add a tablespoon of honey. Then drink it. The warm gelatin will coat and soothe your throat, and the honey's antimicrobial properties will kill bacteria that may be lingering inside your throat. Don't have time to make Jell-O? A quick fix is just to eat a spoonful of honey. You can thank me later. Number 5, eat an orange 30 minutes before working out to prevent soreness. In my opinion, fruit may be one of the best options for pre-workout food. A small piece of fruit satisfies many prerequisites of proper workout nutrition: carbohydrates, sugar, vitamins, minerals, and water. But fruit is also lower in calories, so there's less risk of feeling lethargic or sluggish during your workouts. An orange specifically has high concentrations of vitamin C, which replaces collagen in muscle fibers that are broken down during exercise. A single orange won't free you completely from post-workout soreness, but it might help alleviate some of your post-workout pain. Number 6, keep bees and wasps away with dryer sheets. Allergic to bees? You may want to listen up to this one. Bees and wasps dislike the scent of dryer sheets.
Ew!
Although it's not clear which scents bees hate most, grab your favorite dryer sheets and spread them around the picnic area, or place them under a tablecloth, or you can even give them to your guests to stuff in their pockets. Hey, Your barbecue guests might look at you a little funny, but at least you reduce the risk of needing to break out the EpiPen, right? Oh, and please remember, the safest way to get rid of unwanted bees, wasps, or hornets and avoid being stung is to allow a professional beekeeper or pest control expert to perform the removal of the nest or the swarm. And if you want to learn more about bee allergic reactions, watch this video right here. Number 7 life hack, asthma attacks and black coffee. If in a pinch and someone doesn't have their inhaler on them, it is found that caffeine may slightly improve the breathing function in people with asthma for up to 4 hours. The caffeine in the black coffee or green tea is believed to help treat asthma by working similarly to the popular asthma medication called Theophylline, which opens up the airways. Although there is no real at-home remedies for an asthma attack, asthma is managed with medications, by avoiding triggers, and by creating an asthma action plan with your doctor. Always keep a rescue inhaler on hand for immediate relief during an attack, and check the date on the pump regularly to make sure it hasn't expired. Alright, that's been 7 amazing medical life hacks with me, Dr. Wagner. If you have any seemingly random and genius life hacks that I haven't mentioned, please comment below. And as a reminder, these life hacks are not intended to replace a one-on-one relationship with your primary care doctor or be a replacement for any type of emergent situation. If you find yourself in an emergency situation, please call 911 or get to a local hospital immediately. Please make sure you subscribe and turn your bell notifications on right here. When you do that and hit the like button, you let YouTube know that you'd like to see more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.